this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the drive motor. This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the internal components, we will need to view the back side of the power head cover. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner of the power head cover. The front display cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing. Please keep in mind that there is limited slack for the wire harness connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach the multi-pin connector away from the display board. The drive motor is located on the left side of the power head. First, carefully wiggle and detach the drive motor's multi-pin connector from the rear circuit board. Then, using a crosshead screwdriver, remove the 2 small screws that are holding the motor in place. Then lift up and remove the drive motor away from the power head. You will notice that there's a stainless guide pin that is part of the power head body and positioned beside the drive gear as shown here. Before installing the new motor, make note of the center hole at the end of the drive motor shaft. This aligns with the stainless steel guide pin. Place the drive motor into position, ensuring the shaft aligns with that guide pin and that the teeth are properly meshed with the power head's gear, while also aligning the mounting holes. Then place the 2 small screws that hold the drive motor in place and tighten. Next, connect the drive motor's multi-pin connector to the rear board while keeping in mind that the connector is color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Next, connect the wire harness's multi-pin connection to the front display board while keeping in mind that the connection is keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.